Chief Minister N. Biren today urges people of Manipur to look ahead with hope while also keeping their focus on the core issues which led to the crisis that is happening in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren said this while addressing the launching of Skilling and Livelihood Program under the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation. Speaking further in the program, which was held at City Convention Center in Palace Compound, Chief Minister N. Biren warned people against people who are trying to divert the main issue regarding Manipur crisis. While quoting from the famous poem of Alfred Lord Tennyson, "Home they brought her warrior dead," Chief Minister N. Biren said we should grieve for our losses and pain, yet we should get up again for the sake of future. He said we need to take 2-3 steps back to make a big jump. Chief Minister N. Biren urged people to keep faith on the efforts of center and state government. He said the ongoing crisis will take time to reach a solution, owing to its complex nature. However, the government will continue to struggle for the sake of its people and for the progress of the state. The crisis in the state was resulted due to steps taken by government in the interest of future generations and to safeguard the unity and integrity of the state, to protect its forests and to stop illegal immigrants. The conflict between those who want to break Manipur and those who want to safeguard its land. Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, Water Resources Minister Awangbo Newmai, PHED Minister L. Sushindro, MLA S. Rajan, MLA Karam Shyam, BJP Manipur State Union President A. Sada along with government officials attended the program.
Issue thoiba crisis se kanagum kharti sida dum divert toroga concentrate toroga launch de district amani the thoiba irang district ani the thoiba irang sa dum lai naba honor posyo lai gedam ni haidana ada koi na mohari na adu shu to udabni adu somda lai ba mayam si kisu live yeng da ya school tam da ya roi college tam da ya roi mi hing da ya roi pai pugi buya da pai pugi wari da yauram ba mai pa ke di home ahum thango ani mo hando ani mo thango ama mo hando hanjin ne si masi part of strategy de ata kada to ya ba pot na te do sigi pot mayam si dagi akoi se kana gum kharana akoi gi pose divert to no hono yawi adu nai ne mayam na se apu to mi se akoi focus am bi se just akoi gi focus akoi concentration se akoi gi pot to the bi dra ni ai ba la pi ro mayam na koi na se akoi focus bi ga dab se core issues akoi sigi hujik thengna de ba issue se ana ba issue na te matam sangani akoi wami na gani but government na praja singbu aya matam na na ba ngai thengna de ba field le ba kamu na di khangam gani phamung da phammaga social media pai ba kamu na di khamai